How to create app shortcuts on the desktop in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you a couple of quick ways to do it. First, click the Start button to open the Start menu. From there, find the app you want to create a shortcut for in the list. After that, click and drag the app icon directly onto your desktop, and a shortcut will be created automatically. Following this, if the app doesn't show up easily in the Start menu, there's another way to do it. Open File Explorer and navigate to the app's installation folder, or search for the app's executable file if you know roughly where it's installed. From here, right-click on the app file and select Show More Options, then click Create Shortcut. After that, drag that newly created shortcut onto your desktop, or cut and paste it there directly. Finally, you can rename any shortcut by right-clicking on it, selecting Rename, and typing whatever name you'd like it to show. That's how you create app shortcuts on the desktop in Windows 11. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.